for ICT. Someone would want to know, ICT, is it so beneficial for us? Sometimes someone will think maybe that is just for some super geniuses somewhere out there.
Well. It's very beneficial.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me why. You know, even this issue, let me come. Like the issue of leakages, you saw how it came out, you know, last year. Okay. It's because of, you know, the systems. They are not transparent. Okay. If you had system in place or a software in place that could at least prepare exams at that point, at least prepare enough questions so that in the long run, where you've got people coming up with leakages, you can simply just change the questions and appear on that when people set on the exam. Okay, which means that you have automatically zero tolerance towards leakages. Because what leakages do is, you know, you produce people having 6 points, but in the end, these guys are not knowledgeable. And what are they going to contribute in the community? So when you bring in ICT, you start developing softwares like the e-learning platforms, where people can even start exams. They write exams online. They are taught online. That's what we're supposed to be as Zambians. That's what you need to start creating.
Awesome stuff. I remember those days, back in the days, when you have to look for files, you need to have all the files and you start flipping. And so when you're looking for exam, for example, if I have to go and get my exams, maybe at the exam, I've lost my exam sleep, maybe at ECZ, for example. So do they have to start flipping through the files now and check which year? So are you telling me that now we can go digital, or have we already gone that way? I can go there and they just, at a click of a button, my results are able to come and it's printed. Okay,
so far, we are, let's say, I can say maybe 40% there. But then, according to the 7th National Development policy, like we need to see that Zambia within 4 years or 5 years, like we need to attain a status where everything needs to be digitalized. Understand? Then digitalized, what do I mean? You've got easy access to information at any point, anywhere, where you feel like. Because it's a hassle, I tell you. You've lost your exam and all that. You need to go to ECZ. Go and then check files. In which year was this person? Did this person sit for exams? Which year? Which year was this? Understand? But then with a database, you create something. You even limit the years to say, okay. For example, there's an instruction where you say select. You select a person who wrote an exam like this year. Then automatically when you click this year, it will show you the list of the people that sat in the exam for that year. So it becomes easy. And then not only the year, it will also tell you, because each one of us has got an identification number. So an identification number in the database when you're storing, that's the first thing that needs to be there, because you've got a unique number, that is your identification. So you just type the ID number for that person. You've got everything information
at a click of
a button. And that's almost a second. For those who've got 4G, internet, and 3G internet. Okay, I'm going to say some of the issues that we are facing as Zambia. It's the issue of network, internet connection. Like, for example, in Kaput,